Hi everyone, I'm Mark. The FTSE 100 trading lower today, edging away from the all-time record high. Earlier it was down 40 points at 7,031. The pound, though, rising against the dollar, the yen and the euro this morning, up 1.5% against those currencies. Now, I took a look at motors of the future yesterday, but today my stock in focus is Vertu Motors. Listed on the alternative investment market, this car dealership owns a number of brands, including Bristol Street Motors, Fresnel Jaguar, Vertu Volkswagen, Mercedes, and so on. Now, it's had its half-year results out today. Revenues increased by almost 18% to £1.5 billion. Record profit before tax up 14% to 18.7 million. Now, Vertu is very closely linked to and affected by Brexit because it sells a lot of cars made by European firms like Volkswagen, Mercedes, and so on. Now, it did say today that new retail sales volumes had actually declined since the EU referendum. However, it stressed it is going to be able to maintain those relations with its EU partners. Well, I hope so. After all, it is selling European products to UK consumers, so you'd think that those car makers would also want to maintain the relationship. Now, the shares have fallen quite a way since the Brexit vote on that uncertainty, but I think it might be overdone. Now, the company also sells Toyota cars, which of course Japanese, not European, so it's not solely dependent on Euro producers. And also, the stock pays a dividend. So it's going on to my watch list. Now, finally, my big boss spotlight today falls on the doctor. Doctor who? No, Dr. O. In fact, it's Dr. Oh Hyun Kwon. He's the chief executive of South Korean consumer electronics giant, yes, you guessed it, Samsung. Now, he's not having a great week at all, is he? He's just seen $20 billion wiped off the stock market value of his company after it took the decision to scrap production of its seriously flawed Galaxy Note 7 smartphone, which had a major flaw in it that could cause the phone to explode. Now, I think Samsung is a great business. I love their TVs, and I also hope the shares do recover. But it just shows you the huge pressure that smartphone makers are under to keep meeting our relentless demand for better and more technology on our mobiles. I mean, where will it all end? Well, that's it. Please do share, subscribe, and follow me if you can be bothered on Twitter. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, Scotty, beam me up.